Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The pace of global shipping activity is set to lose steam next year as economic turmoil, conflict in Ukraine, and the impact of the pandemic weaken the outlook for trade, UN agency UNCTAD said. Cryptocurrency lender BlockFi has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection, the company said, the latest crypto casualty following the spectacular collapse of the FTX exchange earlier this month. A portion of the US yield curve recently saw its deepest inversion since 1981, representing a louder warning of an impending recession. The 10-year US Treasury yield fell 0.78 percentage points below the 2-year yield last week, the widest gap in 41 years. The Bitcoin dollar pair rose 1.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.9% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw Microsoft's stock fall 0.5%. The MACD is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Aussie rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. Japan's construction orders will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Germany's unemployment rate at 0855 GMT. The US gross domestic product annualized at 1330 GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Manufacturing Index will be released at 2130 GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts at 0500 hours GMT. Australia's construction work done at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.